Hi all, Plantside Agent here. Today we're going to take a look at a brew kit I've built around the Stanley 32-ounce French press. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. Now, this brew kit is built for two people. Since it has the 32-ounce, that'd be two 16-ounce portions of coffee for someone. And as usual, it does fit nicely in one of the Molle bottle bags, which is perfect for carrying around. I've used this once or twice on the canoe with when my daughter was out, so both of us, I could brew up coffee and both of us could have some. So anyway, let's get started. I'll show you what we got inside. Okay, on the start, I have, I think I'll break all these out and then go in each individual. This is a Trangia type knockoff alcohol stove setup, and then inside the Stanley 32-ounce French press, and this is the one where you can boil the water in the French press all in one, which I like. Originally I was hoping to find one for around 16 ounces, which is one portion with you know, all in one, but this is the smallest one I could find. So anyway, so it fits in there very snugly, but it fits. So pull the lid out, and inside I have a bag for holding the coffee, which I don't have any right now. I'll fill it up before I go so it stays fresh. I've been looking for some tins that I could throw in there, but I don't have any that'll fit at the moment. But anyway, and then I'm going to take this stuff out because it's easier to get out when you get the contents out. But I've got two of the Stanley green insulated cups that come with their adventure cook set. Two of those, and then now it's a little snug in here. There we go. Snug, but not, you know, not terrible. So, and then you've got the Stanley cook pot or cook set. I really like this idea because it's all in one. So let me show you how it works. Oh, and while I'm at it, in the very bottom, maybe I'll show that again. But anyway, it's a French press, so you pull this part out, the inside, and it's insulated. That's two things I liked about it. Once, when you pull it out, you set this on your stove to boil your water, and then you can throw in your coffee grounds, let it set, and then you've got the inside portion, which is for your French press, and you can push this down, and now you've got your coffee in here, and it does insulate it, so it keeps it warm, especially for three people. And then you got enough for a couple cups out of here. Well, you got the lid, of course. Let it set, and then there you go. You're ready to go. So I really like this idea. What I do have in the bottom here, got to pop it out. There it is. I put in a piece of foam in the very bottom because if you look, come on, that's the stainless steel mesh screen, you know, for filtering out the grounds. I really didn't want bouncing these coffee cups off the bottom of that, since this is plastic. It's probably strong enough, but just didn't want it banging around down there on the screen. So I put this in there, just kind of protect it. Then when I put the cups in, I just don't slam them in there. I'll usually just kind of drop them in easy. Take care of your equipment that way. Okay, that's the Stanley cook pot. Like I said, 32 ounce. It's got handles. Really nice. I really like this design. So that's the pot. So let's go to the boil phase. I'm staying in frame here. Okay, this is a little kit that I bought off of, I believe, eBay. But you can find these. It's a knockoff Trangia. Came in a nice little cloth stuff sack. I got a lighter to light it off with, and it comes with it's got the little pot stand and the Trangia style knockoff These aren't quite as good as Trangias because the main reason is they don't have the wick on the inside of the burner here. So, but they work. I've used them. They're price-wise, they're a little bit cheaper than the Trangia. So these will nest in here, and then this will fit on the stand. So there you go. You can go ahead and brew your coffee, and then you can French press it. So that's the cooking part. And then in the outside pocket of these water bottle bags. And oh, by the way, I've built a lot of things around these Molle water bottle bags because they're really nice. And I do have a playlist just on those, and I'll put that in the description. But in here I have just a handy rag. Okay, and then I have one of those folding aluminum windscreens just to keep it in case there's a little bit of breeze when I'm out there using this. Not necessarily going to use this strictly on the canoe, but if you're just using it out in the field somewhere, you just need some wind protection. But this is, I think I bought this too. It's one of those foldable aluminum or steel windscreens. That's in the pocket. And also I've got a bottle for alcohol for the stove. I have, this is mostly when with my daughter. I drink my coffee black, but she likes sweeteners. So I got a little bottle here for those flavored sweeteners, you know, like the caramel and those sorts of things, vanilla, yuck. I don't like my tea or coffee sweet. It just, but anyway, so I put this in there for her. And then I've got she likes creamer in it too, so I just got one of these little tubes that I can put some artificial creamer in there for her. So then she's got everything she needs in there. And it's got a spare bag, coffee bag in there. So that's that kit. Now, yeah, it's worked really well. Last time we were out in the canoe, I brewed coffee and she was in the kayak. I had the granddaughter and we were in the canoe. So I just brewed the coffee and then just handed it over to her as she floated next to us. That was a lot of fun. So let's see. I think that's all there is to show. There's the mess all taken apart. But that's the little Stanley French press cook set that I put together. So can't think of anything else to say. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.